So we are going to make the braised beef short ribs, but we're not going to be using short rib meat. I'm going to show you what I picked up at Costco just to play with and experiment with. So let me get that out of the fridge. So it's this thing right here. It's a beef shank, and it's like $6 a pound. So we're going to be using these, and I am going to cut them up just a little bit, but I am going to toss the bone in because I want the bone in there for the flavor. Okay, everybody, let's do this. Everything that's going into this stew today. So there we go. So we got the protein product here. I'm going to push that off. You're also going to need about 5 stalks or 4 or 5 stalks of celery. I'm using 4 carrots, 2 large onions, and I also picked up fresh thyme and rosemary. And we're also going to toss in a few bay leaves, mushrooms, garlic, and I think that's it. Ooh, I forgot this. A little bit of red wine, tomato paste, and like salt and pepper and stuff, and oil, and a little bit of flour, because we're going to coat the meat. All right, so let's get started here. So we got slow cook. We're going to switch it to sear saute, start, stop. We're just preheating right now, and then I'm going to start working on the meat. Season them up with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna grab a little bit of flour here. That's good right there. It's about 1/3 cup. I'm just eyeballing everything. We're just gonna take that meat and we're gonna put it into the flour mixture. So it's come up to temperature, and we're going to add a little bit of oil here. I'm using some avocado oil. There we go. And I'm just going to go ahead and take these pieces of meat that have been salt, peppered, and we're just going to brown them up. So they're probably going to cook for there's a lot of meat in there. It cooled it down fast. I'll probably flip them in like 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so we're going to slice up these onions. Oh, no, not that way. We're not going to dice them. We're going to keep them long. I vote for this way today. So I'm going to actually cut the rest of this up. We're also going to be doing carrots. So I'm just going to, you can either do them round or you can do them square. And then celery. So this meat's probably been cooking for like 10 or 15 minutes now. So we're trying to get a little bit of brownage on it, like that. It's just taking a while. So we're going to take this meat out, just set it aside. All right, next up, we're going to take the onions, celery, and carrots, drop them right in here. A little bit of pepper. And we're going to cook these for about 10 minutes. I'm not going to add any more salt. The meat's salted, and the beef broth will have a lot of salt in it too. So then it can always season afterwards. Oh, I did forget to tell you, I forgot to add the mushrooms. So I tossed those in. A little bit late, but they're cooking fine. We're almost there. I just want to sweat these out good enough. Because I picked up elephant garlic because I couldn't find regular garlic at the store here. One of these huge ones, and that's a huge garlic clove right there. And I did open up some wine. Let's taste test it. Ah, that's lovely. I love Cabernet. And Surprisingly enough, the Costco Kirkland, it's very good. And I think up here, even in Fairbanks, $6.99 a bottle. I will take it. Oh, sorry guys, don't look. Okay, let's focus. We've got the tomato paste, we've got beef stock in the back, we've got rosemary, thyme, and I actually picked up, because they had them, some of these fresh bay leaves, which I kind of dropped all over the place. You guys missed that. Alrighty. So I'm having fun here. So I'm going to toss this garlic in. And I switched back to this knife. I like this knife better. The other one's nice looking. I think it's good for meat, like if you're grilling. So I bought a 3-pack for my brother just to give it a whirl, and I picked up one for me just to give it a whirl. So I'm going to take some tomato paste. What's the recipe say? 2.5 tablespoons. We'll just squirt some in here. I think that's enough. I do like this. I got this at Trader Joe's before I came up here. And there is no Trader Joe's up here, by the way, everybody. Let's stir this in. Just want to cook that garlic just a little bit. Oh, this looks good already, man. There's one. It's about a quarter. I'll save some for me for later. And they did say to cook this until it's reduced by half. So we'll go ahead and do that. So we're still waiting for that wine to evaporate off, shall we say, boil off. So I'm going to take some rosemary. We got fresh rosemary. We're lucky to get it up here. Oh, look at these sticks. I'm going to have to put these in the freezer and use these. Ah, nothing's better than fresh herbs, man. Lots of thyme. Yes. Freaking awesome. Just, I'm in heaven. Oh, guess what I'm doing tomorrow, everybody? I'm going dog mushing tomorrow. Mush. Except I don't think you say mush. I can't remember. So we're just going to give this a quick chop. Just in case you guys didn't know it, I am up in Fairbanks, Alaska. Different kitchen, different everything. You grab about 5 bay leaves, they said. We'll grab that many. So lucky to get these fresh up here. All right, a little bit longer. This is taking longer than expected here. So a couple more minutes, maybe like 5 more minutes. So I just move some lights around so you guys can see stuff. I am gonna go ahead and add, if you guys could smell it in here, it's freaking fantastic. Look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the meat back. Sorry, my hands are a mess, but I don't care. Oh yeah, look at that. We're gonna take the rosemary and thyme. Oh yeah, just put that all over that. Oh yeah, baby. Take about 5 bay leaves, just put those in. And we're gonna take 5 cups of beef broth and pour it in. I use that better than bouillon, so I don't have a whisk. I gotta get a whisk. I don't have one up here. I gotta check my camping bin just to see what I have. I'm just using filtered water here. All right, so that's about 5 cups. So next up, what we're gonna do is add the lid. Now we're gonna wait till this comes to a boil, and then we're gonna change it to braise. But I want you guys to be fully present for that. So we're coming up to a boil. Now I'm gonna drop you down below here. So what we're gonna do is stop it. So we're ending. That's braise. Oh, here we go. Use this button over here. All right, we're both learning at the same time. It says 2 hours. We'll gonna hit start and we'll see from there. And you're gonna put the lid on, okay? So I'll be back probably in 2 hours to see if this is done. This is done. I had it back there cooking, so I'm gonna turn it back on. And we're gonna keep it on keep warm. So I'm just gonna hit start right there, because what happened was it shut off when it was done. No, it didn't shut off. It immediately went to keep warm. which is awesome. So it's been 2 hours. I did get around and make some mashed potatoes on the stove top. So I do want to take this top off. Let's pull out a piece. Let's see what just an FYI, this cover is hot. Oh yeah, look at that. Take out a piece just so we can taste it. And then I'm gonna do the mashed potato thing. So make sure you guys can see this. Oh yeah, look at this. I can just pull it apart. Little fat globule there. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. Yeah, my house smells good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is really good. This is really good. Just trying to think here. Let me dip it in the sauce here. Just for fun. Gotta wait a few minutes because it's gonna be hot. Yeah, I can't believe, to be honest with you guys, I can't believe this is done in 2 hours. It's fantastic. Yeah. I would definitely serve it with the sauce that's in there. It's fantastic. Let me make some up with the mashed potatoes and show you guys. This is with some mashed potatoes underneath. I am gonna actually play with some of this sauce. I'm gonna see if I make a gravy with it and serve it with this. I just have mashed potatoes underneath, but this is really, really good. So thanks everybody for watching, and stay tuned for more videos using the Ninja PossibleCooker Pro.